are you? Welcome back to my channel Aparna's Home TV, your one-stop destination for your everyday life. If you know me, I always believe in good skincare and good hair care. I don't like using artificial products so much. Makeup is also very less for me. I love like natural stuff. So hair care should be your top priority. If you are using so many products on your hair, it's not good for your hair will fall, you will lose the shine in your hair. Instead, go for the natural DIYs. You will protect your hair. When it's a special occasion, absolutely use your favorite hair products. But when you are home or when it's daily routine, don't use so many hair products. You don't need them. They will cause more damage than good to you. So this hair mask is a really good hair mask that will add shine and supply the necessary proteins to your hair so that your hair can grow naturally and beautifully. So what egg does is it supplies the protein so that your hair can grow and add shine to your hair. At the same time, curd or yogurt supplies the essential nutrients to nourish your hair and removes any dandruff if you have any. So both combined together, they are really good for your hair. If you have 10 to 15 minutes, that's all you need to apply this mask. You will love this mask. I promise. Try it once and let me know if you like this mask on your hair and if you see any difference or not. If you like my videos, please don't forget to subscribe, and let's go and see how to apply this mask and make this mask for your hair. Bye. So let's look at the ingredients we need to make our egg mask or hair mask that is really healthy for your hair. You need a bowl and a spoon, and you need yogurt and one egg. I have little bit more than shoulder length of hair, so one egg is enough for me. But if you have more hair, add one more egg and little bit more yogurt. So I'm taking one egg, breaking it up, and now I'm going to add 2 to 3 tablespoons. Let me push it forward so that you can see. 2 to 3 tablespoons of yogurt. I'm adding little bit thicker portion of the yogurt. So mix it nicely. Beat the egg up. It's going to smell bad. That's fine because you want health of your hair, and anyway you will shampoo it, so it's okay. This is how it needs to look like after you mix it nicely. So now I will show you how to apply it to your hair. So here I am. I changed into the oldest dress possible because I don't want to spoil any nice dresses. So change into old dress so that even if the egg falls on it, you won't spoil the dress that is your favorite or new. You're not spoiling anything. So I just comb my hair, and this is the length of my hair. It's a little bit more than my shoulder. So 1 egg and 3 tablespoons of yogurt is enough for my hair. So let's see how to apply it. It's the same way we are applying it as we apply the oil. If you didn't watch that video, please do. And here just mix the mixture and take some. It's really messy, guys. Really messy. You have to work with it. There is no other way around if you want healthy hair. So take little bit, and can you see how messy it is? Just go all the way to your scalp. Work on it sections by sections. Don't take more than little bit of section so that you're spoiling your face and entire bathroom. Don't do that. Just work in small sections so that you'll be careful and not spill too much. It feels really cooling on my hair because of, I think, egg and yogurt are cold because of that. But believe me, I have been doing this for past 1 year and it definitely improved my hair texture. It started looking little bit thicker and shinier. So this is how I apply it. So let me complete applying all throughout my scalp, and I will show you how to apply to the hair length. As you can see, I applied all over my scalp. It's neatly applied. Now let me show you how to apply to the left to the other part of your hair. Sorry guys, take a small portion, again work with really small portions because you want to get this mixture all over your hair. You don't want it to like not touch some part of the hair. No, just take a spoon of mixture and drop it in your hands and rub your hands nicely. Rub, and then what you do is apply it, twist it. Apply it, twist it for few seconds until you are sure that everything applied. That's how it's done. I'll show you one more time. Take a small portion of your hair. Little bit of mixture, not too much. Little bit. Rub your hands and then apply it to your hair and twist it. And now twist the other way and apply it. Bring the hair together and apply it all over again. So you need to do that for your entire hair, and I will show you after it's done. I'll apply both sides and then I'll show you. I'm completely done applying for my hair. So I'm on the timer for exactly 20 minutes. Start. And I'm going to wash my hair after 20 minutes and show you after washing my hair. By doing small tasks around the house, cleaning up a little bit, 20 minutes will be easily done, and you can easily incorporate this into your daily routine and you will get amazing results, and it's so natural and so good for your hair. Please do try it. I will be back after 20 minutes. So it's been 20 minutes. As you can see, it is little bit dried up. You don't want your hair to be completely dried up. It will pull on, when you're washing, it will pull your hair and you lose more hair. Don't do that. 15 to 20 minutes is the maximum you need to apply this. And let me go wash my hair and I will show you. So I just washed my hair, shampoo and conditioner just like normally you usually do. Nicely wipe it with a towel, leave it for air drying. Do not use any heat equipment on your hair unless it's an emergency or some party. Absolutely use it when you need it, like monthly once or twice is fine. More than that, it damages your hair long term. So taking care of your hair so much by using heating tools, you're damaging it more. So keep in mind about that. And that's it for this video. I hope you'll try this mask and leave me a comment whether it worked for you, whether it changed your texture or not. And I'm going to just leave it in my hair like this and go on about my day so that the hair will dry naturally, and it will be ready for me tomorrow. So How do you maintain your hair? Share with me in the comment section. And if you want any other hair mask, just leave me a comment and I will try to do it for you. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you like my videos. Bye.